Welcome to Nuer Tube. This is English vs Nuer language or thok nath. Today we are going to learn these. These are in English and their meaning in thok nath. U nga, u nga, which mendien or menmith. When, nay, whose, ngani, how, idi, howl, tirundi or rundi. Down there way, how old are you? But how old mean tirundi. What color? Bielendian, ke bielemit, ke bielmungu. What color? Bielenmit. What time? Ke tadi. Who care? Angam ke angadir. Go to where. Go to sleep wetoisne. U nga, which mendian, when, nay, whose, ngani, how, idi, how old, tirundi, what color, bielenmis, what time, ketadi, who care, angamidir, go to, where, go to sleep, wetoshne. If you are new to this channel, please help me by subscribing to my channel, and let's meet on the next lesson. Bye bye.